Students, last time we have seen about the genetic terminology. Today we will see about the inheritance and variation part 2. In that, main points are Mendel's law of inheritance, law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment, backcross and test crossed. Next, that is a deviations from Mendel's findings, gene interactions, incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple alleles. So first, that is the law of dominance. Characters are controlled by discrete units called factors. Factors occurs in pairs. In a dissimilar pair of factors, one member of the pair dominates the other. That is, one is dominant, other is recessive. Dominant, which express in next generation, recessive do not express in next generation. Next, that is the statement of law of dominance. When two homozygous individuals with one or more set of contrasting characters are crossed, the alleles, that is the characters that appear in F1 are dominant and those which do not appear in F1 are recessive. So there are the two terms, that is the dominant which appears in F1 generation and next is that is the recessive which do not appear in F1 generation. Law of segregation. The alleles do not show any blending and that both the characters are recovered as such in the F2 generation. Through one of these is not seen at the F1 stage. The parent contains two alleles during gamete formation. The factors or alleles of a pair segregate or separate from each other. A gamete receives only one of the two factors. Homozygous parent produce all gametes that are similar, that is contains same type of alleles. Homo means similar. Heterozygous, hetero means two different types. Heterozygous parents produce two kinds of gametes, that is the two different types of gametes, each having one allele with equal proportion. So what is the statement of law of segregation? This law states that when hybrid, that is F1, forms gametes, the alleles segregate from each other and enter in different gamete. Law of independent assortment. This law describes how different genes or alleles present on separate chromosomes independently separate from each other during gamete formation. These alleles then randomly united in fertilization. Statement of law of independent assortment. This law states that when hybrid possessing two or more pairs of contrasting factors forms gametes, the factors in each pair segregate independently of the other pair. Backcross and test cross. Backcross. The F1 individuals obtained in a cross are usually self to get F2 progeny. Here, selfing of F1 individuals takes place to form F2 progeny. They can also be crossed with one of the two parents from which they were derived. म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये रेसेसिव्ह पण असेल किंवा डॉमिनंट पण असेल. And such a cross is known as a back cross. Test cross. The cross of F1 hybrid with homozygous recessive parents is known as a test cross. इथं फक्त homozygous recessive parent बरोबर क्रॉस केलेलं असतं. It is used to test whether an individual is homozygous pure or heterozygous hybrid. Test cross is easy, simple, repeatable, and predictable. Here is a graphical representation of test cross. So homozygous recessive is crossed with homozygous recessive. Here homo means two similar, and here is a recessive genotype, small r, small r, small r, small r. So dominant phenotype, that is capital R, capital R. It is a hybrid, capital R, small r. So what is the result? Here capital R, that is the capital R, capital R, capital R, capital R. Again capital R, small r, capital R, small r, capital R, small r. So here all flowers are violet. On the other hand, here capital R, small r is crossed with small r, small r. So capital R, small r, capital R, small r, capital R, small r. Next small r, and small r here. So half of the flowers are violet and half of the flowers are white. So this is the result. So here we can find that is the unknown flower is homozygous dominant, and here unknown flower is heterozygous, means half of the flowers are violet and half of the flowers are white. Here all the flowers are violet, means similar type, that is the homozygous dominant. Deviations from Mendel's findings. Few generalizations were arrived at by Mendel on the basis of his experiments of garden pea plants, such as single trait, single gene, two alleles. Two alleles show interaction in which one is completely dominant. Genes for different traits present on different chromosomes assort independently. With the passage of time, number of deviations were observed or identified in the post-Mendelian era, and these deviations are then described as neo-Mendelism. The deviations from Mendel's findings are codominance and incomplete dominance, multiple allelism, polygenic inheritance, and pleiotropy. Gene interaction between gene. Phenotypic expression of a gene can be modified or influenced by the other gene. What is a phenotypic? That is the external appearance. These gene interactions are of two types. First is intragenic between two genes, intergenic, that is the non-allelic interaction. In intragenic interaction, it is occur between the alleles of same gene. For example, incomplete dominance or codominance. It also occurs between the multiple allele series of a gene. Second one is intergenic, that is a non-allelic interaction. Alleles of same gene takes place in intragenic interaction. Here occurs between the alleles of different genes present on the same or different chromosomes. For example, pleiotropy, polygenes, epistasis, supplementary and complementary genes. Incomplete dominance. When a pair of genes of a contrasting character is brought together in F1 hybrid, neither allele is able to suppress the expression of other. म्हणजे दोन्हीपैकी कुठलाही दुसऱ्याला सप्रेस करत नाही. दुसऱ्याचं एक्सप्रेशन सप्रेस करत नाही. One allele can't suppress the expression of the other and produce intermediate expression in F1 hybrid. म्हणजे दोघांच्या पेक्षा थोडासा वेगळा हा त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला रिझल्ट मिळतो. Both the genes of an allelomorphic pair express themselves partially. Incomplete dominance is an exception to Mendel's first law of inheritance, that is the law of dominance. Dominance म्हणजे आपल्याला माहिती आहे जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन मध्ये एक्सप्रेस होतो त्याला आपण डॉमिनन्स म्हणतो. The new phenotype obtained in F1 hybrid is intermediate between two parental phenotypes. For example, Mirabilis jalapa. In Mirabilis jalapa, there are two types of flower color, that is red and white. When a cross between a red flower, that is capital R, and white flower, that is small r, is made, F1 progeny produced in all pink flowers, that is the capital R and small r flower. When these F1 pink flowers are crossed among themselves, they produce red, pink, and white in 1 to 2 to 1 ratio. That is capital R, capital R, small r, and small r. That is the 1 to 2 to 1 ratio. So here is the graphical representation. Parents are capital R, red and white. It is a phenotype. It is a genotype. Gametes are capital R, small r. It shows F1 progeny, that is the capital R, small r hybrid pink. The selfing shows in F1 progeny, F2 progeny, that is capital R is self with capital R and small r, that is pink and pink. Gametes are capital R, small r, capital R, small r. So here is the Punnett square. Capital R, small r, capital R, it produces red flower. Capital R, small r, that is, it shows pink flower. Small r, capital R, that is pink flower. And here is the small r, that is the white flower. So phenotypic ratio is 1:2 to 1, and genotypic ratio is 1:2 to 1. Codominance. When a pair of genes for contrasting characters is brought together in F1 hybrid, the phenotypes of both the alleles appear side by side and equally. म्हणजे दोघांचे पण एक्सप्रेशन्स तिथे आपल्याला दिसतात, साइड बाय साइड असतात आणि दोघंही इक्वली एक्सप्रेस होतात. Both a genes of an allelomorphic pair express themselves equally in F1 hybrids. Alleles which are able to express themselves independently even if present together in hybrids are called codominant alleles. Codominance is an exception to Mendel's first law of dominance, that is the law of dominance. The new phenotype obtained in F1 hybrid is with equal phenotype of both the parents. For example, the best example of codominance has been observed in cattle. When a cattle with red coat is crossed with the cattle having white coat, the F1 hybrid possesses roan appearance. So here is the chart of codominance. Phenotype is red and white. Genotype is capital R, and capital W, small w. Parent generation, gametes are capital R, small w, W. आता F1 जनरेशन मध्ये आपल्याला काय दिसतं, हियर कॅपिटल आर, इथं रोन दिसतो आपल्याला आणि इथं पण रोनच दिसतो. सो इट इज अ रोन फिमेल, इट इज अ रोन मेल. परत आपण F2 जनरेशन मध्ये जर बघितलं तर कॅपिटल आर डब्ल्यू ह्याच्यामध्ये कॅपिटल आर इट प्रोड्युसेस रेड कलर, रेड कोट कलर. त्याच्यानंतर कॅपिटल आर अँड कॅपिटल आर डब्ल्यू इथं तयार होतोय, दॅट इज द फिमेल. आता इथं पण आपल्याला रोन दिसतो, दॅट इज द कॅपिटल आर अँड डब्ल्यू, रोन कलर मेल. अँड हिअर व्हाईट कलर दिसतो, दॅट इज द व्हाईट मेल तयार होतो. डब्ल्यू दॅट इज द व्हाईट. हिअर डब्ल्यू अँड आर, दॅट इज द आर डब्ल्यू मेल. इट इज अ रोन, अगेन इट इज अ रोन अँड इट इज अ रेड. So here again genotypic ratio is 1:2 to 1, and phenotypic ratio is also 1:2 to 1. 1 red, 2 roan, and again 1 white. Multiple alleles. More than 2 alternative form alleles of a gene in a population occupying the same locus on a chromosome or its homologue are known as a multiple alleles. Multiple alleles arise by mutation of wild type gene. म्हणजे wild type च्या gene मध्ये जेव्हा म्युटेशन होतं त्यावेळेला आपल्याला multiple alleles बघायला मिळतात. One wild type gene can mutate several times to produce multiple alleles. They show a series of alternative expressions like dominant, recessive, codominance, incomplete dominance, etc. In multiple allelism, Individuals are always with two alleles of a gene presenting on homologous chromosome pair. Wild type allele is always dominant over other mutant allele. For example, Drosophila wing size ह्याच्यामध्ये Drosophilaच्या wing size example आहे. So this is a phenotype, this is a genotype which shows a multiple alleles, that is the normal wings VG plus naked wings VGNI, notched wings that is VGNO, notched means NO, nicked means NI, strap wings that is the VGST, stap, and vestigial wings that is the VG. So this is the example of multiple alleles. ABO blood group in human being. ABO blood group is the example of multiple alleles and co-dominance. ABO blood group are controlled by one gene, that is the gene I, with three alleles IA, IB and I. Allele IA and IB are dominant over I, while both are co-dominant when present together. Allele IA and IB produce slightly different form of the sugar, and allele does not produce any sugar. There are 6 different genotypes and 4 different phenotypes of blood groups produced due to combination of these alleles. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला 6 different genotypes दिसतात आणि 4 different phenotypes असतात. आता हा त्याचा चार्ट आहे ABO blood groups in human being. This is the genotype, this is the phenotype. आता ब्लड ग्रुप ए चा जीनोटाइप काय आहे? कॅपिटल IA और IA स्मॉल I. ब्लड ग्रुप बी चा जीनोटाइप आहे I कैपिटल B और I कैपिटल B I. AB ब्लड ग्रुपचा कॅपिटल IA IB आणि O चा आहे स्मॉल I. Next, that is the pleiotropy. When a single gene control 2 or more different traits, it is called as a pleiotropic gene, and this phenomenon is called as a pleiotropy or pleiotropism. म्हणजेच काय की सिंगल जीन काय कंट्रोल करतो? 2 किंवा 2पेक्षा जास्त डिफरंट ट्रेट्स मीन्स कॅरेक्टर्स. म्हणून याला काय, त्या जीनला काय म्हणायचं? प्लिओट्रॉपिक जीन, आणि त्या फिनॉमिननला म्हणायचं प्लिओट्रॉपी किंवा प्लिओट्रॉपिझम. आता याचं एक्सप्लेनेशन काय आहे? Sometimes single gene produces two related or unrelated phenotypic expression. For example, gene HBS caused sickle cell anemia. Normal gene HBA is dominant and not cause disease. The carriers heterozygotes, that is the HB capital A HBS, show sign of mild anemia. Carriers RBCs become sickle shaped. The homozygotes with recessive gene HBS, however, die of fatal anemia. The gene of sickle cell anemia is lethal in homozygous condition and produces sickle cell trait in heterozygous carrier. Two different expressions are produced by single gene, and this is example of pleiotropy. Several different phenotypic effects may thus result from the action of a single pleiotropic gene. Here is the chart of pleiotropy. Parents are sickle cell carrier, heterozygotes, both are heterozygotes, HBS, HBA, HBS, HBA. The gametes are HBS, two different gametes, that is the HBS, HBA. Again here gametes are HBS and HBA. So what is the F1 offspring? HBS, HBS. So it is a homozygous recessive. Next, that is the HBA, HBS. Again HBS, HBA, and here HBA and HBA. So here homozygous normal, it is a heterozygous recessive. which gets dies, and these two are heterozygous, which are the sickle cell carriers. That is the HbA, HbS, HbA, HbS. These are the heterozygous, which are sickle cell carriers. One, and that is the homozygous normal HbA, HbA homozygous normal, and HbS, HbS homozygous recessive, which gets dies. Here ratio is 2:1. So in this lecture, we have studied Mendel's law of inheritance, in that law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment, backcross and text cross. Next point, that is the deviation from Mendel's findings, gene interactions. Next, that is the incomplete dominance, codominance and multiple alleles with graphical representation. So next time today we will stop here, and next time we will continue with the next point. Thank you.